Alrighty, everyone. Welcome aboard. We are heading for a multi-purpose flight. We're going to do another STEC video to show off a bunch of questions people have been asking us about the autopilot's function. So we're going to show some VFR maneuvers, some of the envelope protection, the level function again, and kind of focusing a little bit on the emergency side or how this could help you. And dual purpose mission going to Clow International Airport, which we've never been to meet up a friend and have some breakfast. Alright, babe. Sierra, tell them we'll just tell them we'll taxi VFR to the south.
Okay. Aurora ground, Twin Cessna 771 Bravo Charlie.
Twin Cessna 771 Bravo Charlie, Aurora ground.
Twin Cessna 1 Bravo Charlie taxiing out of Skyhaven, looking for a VFR departure to the south. We have Sierra.
Twin Cessna 1 Bravo Charlie, runway 9er, taxi via Alpha, cross runway 36.
Runway 9er via Alpha, cross runway 36, 1 Bravo Charlie.
Twin Cessna 1 Bravo Charlie, cross runway 33.
1 Bravo Charlie, cross runway 33.
Sweet. Well timed. Didn't need to hit the brakes. Although with this 15 knot tailwind, we're taxiing pretty fast at idle power.
80, 90, rotate.
Good job, babe.
Tower 1 Bravo Charlie's ready to go, runway 9.
Twin Cessna 771 Bravo Charlie, Aurora tower straight out for now. I'll call your turn to the south for traffic inbound from the south for the right downwind, runway 9er, clear for takeoff, wind 090 at 10, gust 15.
Straight out for now, runway 9er, clear for takeoff, November 1 Bravo Charlie.
Ramos 261 Romeo Alpha, your number 2 for runway 9er. Following Tipmont traffic, entering a 4-mile final. Advise me have that traffic in sight.
Checkpoint traffic.
Looking for traffic, 261 Romeo Alpha.
Tipmont 11 Charlie Hotel, your number 1 for runway 9er. Clear to land, wind 080 at 10, gust 15, 1 Twin Cessna departure prior to arrival.
1500 RPM, release the brakes.
November 5 Victor Bravo, as you enter the downwind, extend downwind, plan to be number 3 for runway 9er. You're following Remos, a small light sport aircraft on the opposite downwind, just passing midfield.
Airspeed's alive, 70, 80,
5 Victor Bravo,
90,
number 3, extending downwind. I'll report the traffic. 5 Victor Bravo.
Tap the brakes. You're coming up. Pitching for blue line. Turn the yaw damper on. And she said just fly straight out, right?
Yeah.
Twin Cessna 1 Bravo Charlie, and that inbound stationary traffic is approaching midfield right downwind at 1,700 and descending.
1 Bravo Charlie's looking.
Thought she was going to call the time.
Right downwind, that's over here.
Oh, I see
runway
him.
9.
He's inside.
1 Bravo Charlie has traffic in sight.
Twin Cessna 1 Bravo Charlie, maintain business separation, resume on navigation.
1 BC Wilco. I don't see him.
He's way
One
behind
Romeo
us.
Alpha, traffic you're following ahead and to your left,
And he's
slightly
below us.
lower by about a mile.
Traffic in sight, 261 Romeo Alpha.
Ramos 1 Romeo Alpha, follow that traffic, runway 9er, number 2. Clear to land, wind 080 at 11, gust 15.
Following traffic number 2, clear to land, 261 Romeo Alpha.
Let's reach the autopilot now. And we'll climb up to 3,500.
Altitude 1,000 to go.
Autopilot's capturing us at 3,500. We're on heading mode. Going to kind of show how we handle a VFR flight. We have absolutely no destination in mind right now. I simply put in my GPS, Aurora, Joliet, VOR, back to Aurora, which is just the VOR down here a little ways. So, just cruising along, there's traffic ahead of us, 1,000 feet below us. There you go, you see them across the trees there? Planes 1,000 feet below us there. Alright, so now I'm going to set cruise power.
And who else is trying to call?
It's Twin Cessna 771 Bravo Charlie VFR request. We're 6 south of Aurora, just going to do some air work out here, maneuvering at 3,500, looking for advisories.
I'm sorry, I missed the call, Sam. Was it 771 Bravo Charlie?
Hey, affirmative, 771 Bravo Charlie, Cessna 310.
Bravo Charlie, reset transponder, squawk 5176.
5176, 1BC.
Plus 4185, maintain 210 knots or greater.
So, 171 knots, doing kind of our normal thing here, just maneuvering down to the south. We kind of touched on some of this before, but this is just planning VFR flights. You know, you got your sectional out, you're navigating town to town. Here's a river over here, we're going to follow the river. I've got it in heading and altitude mode, so you guys can see when we roll into the right turn, it does a really nice standard rate turn. As it gets closer to the heading bug, it starts rolling out. We're able to follow this river now.
33.35. Plus 4445, contact Chicago Center 133.35. November 61 X-ray Papa, radar contact 5 miles east Lewis Airport, altitude indicates 3,000, there's traffic behind you, Challenger 4,000.
Do a full right 360, let's just see how she does.
Southwest 4185, 170 knots or greater to Sitco, Tower Sitco 135.2.
So with the yaw damper, the ball stays centered, my feet are on the floor.
15 miles from Caden, cross Caden at 4,000, clear ILS.
She's locked into the altitude.
Maintain 250 knots.
Very well. Oops, I went too far.
Set 571 traffic, 1 o'clock, 2 miles eastbound, 3,500 VFR.
Babe,
yeah.
The airplane does this much better than I can do it now. Look how perfect this is.
Tower 41 Delta inbound to Aurora.
We're right on standard rate turn, just locked in at 3,500.
Nice.
Flex at 572, roger.
We'll roll back out on the east heading.
61 X-ray Papa, you're cleared to Papa Charlie Whiskey Airport via radar vectors, direct to Lukey as filed. Climb and maintain 4,000, fly heading 100.
And there she is, going to roll out now. And maintains altitude perfectly in the rollout. I'm going to show you guys what the envelope protection does. So people ask me, and I get comments, because I like to climb vertical speed, descend vertical speed a lot of the times. We did show last time the indicated airspeed climb holds perfectly.
Number 61 X-ray Papa, turn left heading 080.
And I get comments from people saying, oh, you need to start climbing indicated airspeed all the time. That way you can't stall the airplane.
X-ray Papa, contact Chicago departure 138.2.
There's some good logic there, because in the history of past autopilots, you could do just that. If you set vertical speed down low when you have all that nice power in your normally aspirated plane,
12 o'clock and 8 miles.
and you set up 1,000 feet per minute rate of climb, well, as you get up to the thinner air, you lose power, and you can't maintain your airspeed. Your airspeed will start falling off, and you could actually have the autopilot stall the airplane. But STEC with the 3100 has put into it what they call envelope protection. And the envelope protection will help ensure that you do not stall your aircraft. There's a buffer well above the stall speed, and it will actually lower the nose if you command it to do something that it knows is not safe. Let's climb up to 4,500. We'll call it 5,500 feet.
Lima, maintain 170 knots or less to STEC tower, STEC 135.2.
Let's do a vertical speed of 1,000 feet.
Number 462 Bravo Golf 50 direct Lewis Airport, descend and maintain 4,000.
Just to Lewis Airport down to 4,000, 462 Bravo Golf.
So you guys will see right now, we're climbing at 1,000 feet per minute. The airspeed's falling off. Gonna have to pull the power back more.
Airspeed.
So it gently lowers the nose and it tells you airspeed, airspeed, airspeed. Not aggressive at all.
Airspeed.
And it's letting us know, hey, things aren't right here. Now we'll just switch out of that and we'll go into altitude hold mode. If you're a VFR pilot, you enter the clouds, your IMC, you get spatial disorientation, you're looking at your instruments, none of it's making sense to you, and you think you're straight and level, your inner ear is lying to you, but in reality you're not. You end up in a bank, and as you end up in a bank, you're losing your vertical lift, so the airplane starts turning tighter and tighter. The airspeed's climbing, the turn's getting tighter, the VSI is coming down, and you don't know what's going on, you're disoriented. Push the level button. The level button, and let go of everything.
Autopilot.
It's letting you know level mode, engage autopilot. It's pitching for 0 pitch, and it's rolling out wings level.
Level mode, engage autopilot.
Now the autopilot's not engaged, it's holding you straight and level at 0 pitch. So what you need to do is reach up and engage the autopilot. And she's telling us that. Level mode, engage autopilot. Level mode, engage autopilot. We showed the straight and level before, but just wanted to kind of give it the VFR reasoning why you would do it. Different reasons of getting disoriented. Also, there was a very famous
4822, maintain 4,000.
Famous person had crashed at Saratoga off the coast of New England at nighttime. For those of you that have not got to fly over water at night, it absolutely is IMC in every. You cannot have visual reference anymore. If you're at nighttime and you're over the ocean and there's no moon, it's overcast, it's pitch black. It might be clearing a million, but you need an instrument rating to be out there doing that, or at least I would highly recommend it, regardless of what the rules say about that.
4822, turn right heading 270.
And you can get spatial disorientation. You cannot understand what the instruments are telling you. That level mode will straighten everything out for you. Just let go, hit the level mode, let your inner ear restabilize, tell air traffic, get a heading out of the clouds or back over land or get back to visual conditions. The envelope protection also, we just showed the underspeed where it was getting too slow. It does the exact same thing for an overspeed. If we were to dive at the ground and our airspeed started increasing 200, 210, 220, it'll make that same noise, that same alarm, and it will pick the nose up so that you don't overspeed the airplane and stress out the airplane. So envelope protection with the STEC 3100 is great. It works very, very well.
One Bravo Charlie House, Clow inside, we'll cancel flight following.
Bravo Charlie, roger. There does appear to be 2 in the pattern at Clow. Radar services terminated. Squawk VFR, frequency change approved. Good day.
Squawk and VFR, 1 Bravo Charlie, we'll see you.
Neighbor traffic 36 Victor, departing 36 neighbor, southbound departure.
22.9. 22.9. Clow traffic, Twin Cessna 771 Bravo Charlie, 7 miles west, inbound for a full stop at Clow.
And Cloud traffic, Cherokee 8, Mike, limit is 4 miles northwest of Cloud 2000, setting up for the 45 left downwind runway 36 stop.
Roger, Cherokee here.
Alright, 36.
Cloud traffic, line stars on base, short base for runway 36.
Everybody's using 36.
Cloud traffic, 9 off clear of the runway, Cloud. Cloud traffic, Cherokee 8, Mike, limit left downwind runway 36.
There he is. Yep, that's him. Sweet. Cloud traffic, Twin Cessna 771 Bravo Charlie's turning 45 for left downwind 36, has the Cherokee in sight.
Cloud traffic, Skyline 6929er, 3 to the west, and I'm behind all you guys, the Cloud.
Okay.
Don't see him. I don't see Clow.
It's right here.
Oh, okay. I see it.
Cloud traffic, Twin Cessna 771 Bravo Charlie is turning downwind, runway 36, Cloud.
Cloud traffic, Cherokee 8, Mike, limit turning left base, runway 36 stop.
Look at all these freaking houses, man.
A lot. They're all like super cookie cutter too. They're all the same. Just boxes, no yards.
Cloud traffic, Twin Cessna 1 Bravo Charlie is turning final, runway 36, Cloud. He just needs to hit the next taxiway.
Cloud traffic, Skyline 6929er, left base, 36 Cloud traffic in front, in sight.
Brokerage traffic 70 Sugars, turning a left downwind for 7.
Oh, there's the guy following us.
9er.
Cloud traffic, Cherokee 8, Mike, limit is clear of runway 36 stop.
A little gusty here.
Cloud traffic, Cessna 662, taxiing from the run-up area for 18, going up to JW, Cloud.
Cloud traffic, Skyline 6929er, final approach, 36 Cloud.
Man, I just hit like some gust that was just keeping me in the air. I had the throttle all the way back. I had to look down to see, like, do I have the throttle all the way out? Like, why won't the plane decelerate?
I know, I felt like we were fast as
Yeah,
crap.
but we crossed at 100, which is slower than my normal. That was, I mean, the flaps were all the way down.
I was like, well, I told him last time I like the fast ones. Maybe that's what he's doing.
Yeah.
Not that fast.
Cloud traffic, Twin Cessna 771 Bravo Charlie is clearing 36 at the end, Cloud. Man, I don't know, I guess got it a little bit more.
Traffic 70 Sugars.
I didn't,
Oh well.
I didn't see a 310 on there.
Can't nail them all, I guess.
Yeah, no.
That was not a nailed landing. Not.
Oh my gosh, I am sweating. Boob sweat.
Huh.
Got the boob sweat for sure. It was hot up there.